Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done this, so I'm anxious to get started, and I hope you are too. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. The only requirement for this is to put in a crossword, and we're gonna do that, and we can decorate it however we want. So I decided to use some of the things from the cut and collage book that I reviewed, the last one I reviewed. It has such pretty images, and you also want to write in words, and I figured once I get everything laid out I'll write in some words. But the images are so pretty, so I just thought I would just kind of play with those. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag. Here it is, 2023 CW Collage. I'm so sorry. It's, like I said, it's been a while. So let me get this back on. I decided not to do the little label anymore because since we're not, we've missed some few weeks and stuff, so it's not really that week anymore. Barbie had some eye issues, and thankfully she seems to be doing better. So I just thought I would just do the collage. And I like how that is. I've already inked my images, but I love that kitty cat. So sweet. So I'm going to put it down first. Now we finished Bones. It was good. Now my husband and I are going to be looking for something else to watch. We'll just have to see what we find. I know Murdoch is on Acorn, and we like Murdoch. Oop, I probably should have put the crossword down first. But we kind of want to get let the season end, because we hate waiting week to week. So that is probably what we'll do. Still reading. I haven't got to read too terribly much in the Father Tom series. It's really good. I really need to just take the time to read. Alright. Get this down. Just so it touches a little bit. I like when they kind of touch and makes them seem like they go together better. Our weather has been really, really gloomy. Today is Saturday that I'm making this. I hope I'll get my video up today. I'm so behind. I'm struggling. My husband was off yesterday, and although it's not his fault, I get lazy when he's off. I don't know what I'm going to do when he retires, because his vacations and days off, I get so behind. And like I say, it's not his fault, it's me. Let's see if I pull that up. Sorry about that. Had to leave for a minute. Okay, I think I got that down, and only thing is the scepter. I forgot, almost forgot it. But I'm not sure that I need the scepter. I don't know, it kind of looks pretty there. I thought about doing it up the side, but I think I actually like it better down here. Why not? My kitty cat needs a scepter. I know my personal kitty cats think that they're the queen and king of the house anyway. Or kings. I got 2 boys and a girl. They're so sweet though. All right. There. I love it. And now I just want to do some splatters. I've got to get some water. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And I did. I just decided to go ahead and do a label. It just bothered me not having it. And so instead of doing the whole thing, I just put number 42 and I put the hashtag so that I could remember it. All right. So, like I said, be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs, and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. And I am going to do my splatters. I enjoy these. These are just kind of pretty to me and just easy to do. You can get as involved or uninvolved as you want to with these. Oop, I need more water. Splatter's better with water. Oh, and I need to write in my words. I know I was going to do regal. Queen. Cat. Let's see, sweet. And love, because I love my babies. And believe it or not, I'm more of a dog person than a cat person. I didn't grow up with too many cats, but I wouldn't take anything for my kitty cats that I have. So that's gold, and I've got a few black splatters. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.